Hello everyone. Some of you might be ready to get the 7th generation iPad and some of you might be waiting for the 8th generation iPad. So today I'll be unboxing the 7th generation iPad and give you a small comparison with the older 6th generation iPad. I will also give you a glimpse on what you can expect on the upcoming 8th generation iPad. So this will give you an idea on whether you need to wait for the 8th generation iPad or grab the existing 7th generation iPad. I am Alex and welcome to Mesme Singh Tech channel. Let's get started. So the 7th generation iPad has a 10.2-inch Retina display as compared to the 9.7-inch Retina display of the 6th generation iPad. Other than just almost all the other features are same, and we wonder why they had released the 7th generation in the first place. Both the iPads are only compatible to the 1st generation Apple Pencil, which I'll be unboxing now. Apple Pencil holds on to the 8th generation iPad with the mild magnetic feature but keeps wobbling. Both the iPad doesn't have the A12 Bionic chip, it only has the A10 Fusion chip. Both has 8 megapixel camera and lightning connector. Both has fingerprint scanner but doesn't have the Face ID recognition system. Both the iPads run for at least 10 hours of normal web browsing. The numbers show the resolution is slightly higher for the 7th generation iPad as compared to the 6th generation one. You can also see the speaker is comparatively better for the 7th generation iPad. The iPad 8th generation is rumored to have 10.8-inch Retina display by removing the home button. It's also rumored to have Face ID recognition system with an A12 Bionic chip, which will make it more powerful than its previous generations. We can also hope that the new iPad will be compatible with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, but it might be highly unlikely. We might also see USB-C connector instead of the Lightning port for the 8th generation iPad. To conclude, I would really suggest you guys to wait as the upcoming iPad will be launched this month or the beginning of the next. We might not be seeing bigger features, but some features might still be worth waiting for. That's all from me today. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Stay safe.